GTPL Hathway Q3 Free 26 results, revenue growth and subscriber update. GTPL Hathway has reported its financial results for the third quarter of FY26, reflecting stable operational performance amid a competitive media and broadband environment. The company continued to strengthen its position in key regional markets. During the quarter, GTPL Hathway recorded steady revenue growth, supported primarily by its broadband business. The broadband segment remained the key growth driver, benefiting from rising data consumption and increasing demand for high-speed internet. The cable TV business delivered a stable performance, with subscriber numbers largely steady. While industry-wide challenges persist, GTPL Hathway maintained its leadership in select regional cable markets. Broadband subscriber additions remained healthy during Q3 FY26, reflecting ongoing network expansion and improved service quality. The company continues to invest in fiber infrastructure to enhance customer experience. On the profitability front, operating margins showed resilience despite cost pressures. Improved operational efficiency and a higher contribution from broadband services supported margin stability. GTPL Hathway maintained a disciplined approach toward capital expenditure during the quarter. Investments were largely directed toward network upgrades and broadband capacity expansion. The company's focus remains on increasing average revenue per user through better service offerings and bundled plans. Management continues to emphasize long-term subscriber retention and value creation. From an industry perspective, increasing digital adoption and work-from-home trends continue to support broadband demand. This provides long-term growth visibility for GTPL Hathway's core business. Overall, GTPL Hathway's Q3 Free 26 results indicate steady execution across segments. Investors will closely watch subscriber growth trends, margin movement, and future expansion plans in the coming quarters.